Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom, and I am so excited. As a kid, we would go hunting for morel mushrooms in Iowa, out in the woods, and we'd have to trek over all kinds of hillsides, and we would look between all kinds of forested areas, and then we'd look for those special trees that had fallen, the elm trees that the mushrooms seemed to love. And then I ended up having a real sensitivity to poison ivy, so I had to quit going out in the woods to hunt for them. Well, this year my husband comes in, he says, "You are going to be so excited." I said, "What?" And he said, "I found," well, just come here. Anyway, I have never ever seen morel mushrooms in my backyard. This is beside our gazebo, and there you can see a nice big one right there. Can you believe it? Okay, next to my house I have all these ferns here, and guess what I found? Right there. And then on the other side of the fence, another one. Oh my goodness, there's some over here too, underneath our lilac bushes. This is exciting. I get right down by the base of it so that when I pick it, I don't destroy that nice little bottom there.
The stems are quite delicious themselves. Morel mushrooms are safe to eat, and they're easy to identify so you don't accidentally get something that's poisonous. We look for the crinkly top that has a deep texture to it, and the cap is attached completely to the stem. When you open it up, it's hollow from the very tip top to the bottom of the stem. If it's not like that, don't eat it.
I have to say, this is pretty exciting to be able to get a bag of morel mushrooms right here in my own backyard. I just wanted to share with you my excitement. So I hope you're excited too. Check it out. Maybe there's some in your backyard. I don't know. Who would have thought? This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching.